I look for you and can't find you.
Say what you have to say.
The bottom line of the last word is we is a family. We have a mother and a father. And there is 14 children, one that lives 13 of us. And we have to make ourselves this strong and make our own decisions. The children have to make their own decisions. Right? No mass berries. And the father. You have to make feeling decisions. No, you can't make decisions to mass berries right now. Right? Sir? So therefore, he have to make his own decision. No, he's going to survive based on the decision that he made. Do you agree? He's going to survive based on his decision that he made. No, you can ask him, you can put no burden on him. He's going to lift up his own load and carry. Now this one is his. We are children. So what me expect from my berries right now is to be ahead of the home. That's simple saying that. If me suppose me have a vision and you have a vision that the house must build. But Mass Berries should be at the place right now to see himself that when me come and work on the house, he must know that he has the responsibility to pay me. So that we can take care of my family and build my house. This house is my house. I would want to put you and work on the house so that it can be a complete house. When everybody comes together as family, then we can be happy. But the responsibility must be on him. He must hold the post.
Okay, so what is the source of income?
Farming.
Yeah, but if he doesn't have it...
Mama.
Yeah.
From Mama now. Mama have tried his best. There is nothing more that Mama could have done. He have tried his very best. Now, one thing that I really appreciate Mama with, and I want the children to look at it.
Watch it about.
Maybe you never see it this way, but let us look at it. You see the house when Mama started here last year when she come here? This is one of the greatest things that we should have appreciate Mama and respect her for. If she have never done anything, we have to look on that. Now, remember the little piece of place we did catch up on the back this summer. Had Mama never come here last year and spent $74,000 Christian with this brother, me and him. And after leaving here, put $30,000 in my hand. And every month he fight back and send him 200 and 300. And when he could have sent 1,000, he send it. Then when we come together now we dead, you know what happened? We would have looked like the worst set of people in an hour.
That is true.
That is true. The house don't have on top, but at the end of the day, we have convenience.
Right.
Look how we can walk around.
We can walk around freely and not bouncing on each other.
And not bouncing on each other. Which way, the little hard that just catch up here upon the back right here. So see here, so no. From right here, so. Right here, so. And just go this one to it. So you see without the no way. You understand? So we appreciate Mama for what you do. But now that Mama gone, we have to take it to another level. We have to tap live bad.
No more hug.
No hag and goat business. Live good. When you that town and if me no call you for 2 days upon the phone, you must say, Lord, want to Baba, make a call him and hear if him dead or alive. If we no had maintained that type of relationship, there will be no peace in the family. And no man no want to see me have and you no have. Family mustn't live like that. Me must have a desire within my heart. That's what me sit down on my dinner table like my dinner. Me must have consider it have dinner. You see, because we don't have that type of love for one another, it tear apart every day. And that is what is giving problem. Once me eat and once me drink, hell about you.
Hell about you.
And that is what is tearing this family apart.
Hell
No one
about
care for each other.
Hell about you.
Honestly.
I say, better just go and go rest. You should go and go rest, man, and everybody rest. Because me and the eyeballers, them say, so me make up my mind to fight my way and go through. And Mama been in America, yes, more time I can take the phone and call and say, Mama beg you $100.
Baba,
we have to see.
Excuse me, the cooking have to start, you know.
To myself is my granny now. I wish him alive. Man dead. Nothing I have to say.
Picture.
I try to take the sound and everything. We get the Aki over here, so. What you have to say? And Bobby, this is the woman that grew up me antenna. This is Mama's oldest child.
Yeah, and this is the son they never know about.
And this is the son they never know about.
And he look like the son that we never know about, which shoot you know. I am in the room and I saw him coming up here. Me. I wonder if I want to Sister Pauline's son that I know the back one, I know him, but I wonder if you are one. So the lady from the bed said, no, I know so him
I saw them always that deny me, you know. I saw them
Not
always
him,
that
you know.
No, I saw them all that deny me, you know, so I wonder if them, you know. You see, we look alike.
You know, that make me
Why
say
you think me
wonder if
there? You see? We are the mystery one. The one to keep everything in order. The one that go get the witness, see? Alright.
So sister, you have 2 minutes. Tell me about the story from the beginning to end in 2 minutes.
With which kind of story?
Everybody, we born, we grow, we
born,
move.
we grow, we run up and down. Me carry one pan this side, one pan this side. And sometimes I bend down and the bigger one go up on my back and carry on go good intent one little shop the out there. Carry on back. And me just grow the two little boy because we just love the two little boy till we don't know over until Lena. Then me come look for you know and just things like those. Until them take on. And we feel good about it up to now. I remember when you come down to school and oh God all lift me up and say, Mommy tell you say, I'm me the biggest one we grow you. Me feel good you know, I feel good up till now. You see me? I me just give thanks for everything. You see? So when I just grow nice, see me and take care of myself. And us to the one we may never know.
This is sister, the oldest. Thank you, sister. Give me a kiss, sister. Come, Bobby. Come, hold it quick, lad. God, that sister this. Then you come quick. Jazzy
Kiss again,
Jala.
kiss on the pony.
This is my second mother right there. So.
Okay.
want Sharika. Si Shakir don't guess what
Go far, go over more, go over there.
Come.
Wanna see on yourself?
Yes. Si ready? Ako na. Move naman. Move down. Si Mami Auntie Lana de. Si Mami Auntie Lana gado ade. Si Auntie Lana de.
You related to my sister?
I'm her grandson. I'm her grandson. I'm Kevin. You know Pauline? I'm Pauline's son.
Okay. Joy is my good friend.
Joy?
But you know Richie?
Richie? Who's Richie?
No, Janelle. Janelle.
Papa Bear, auntie.
Go on my head.
Okay.
Ajak.
So you guys live over there? So, right?
Jessica?
Yes. Shani Otadikia. Otadikia. Who, Jessica? Otadikia.
You're not married yet?
What?
Well, I'm looking for African. You see the one over there? So,
I don't go to have
where I go teach?
Shani, come here.
teach physical education and culture.
Really?
I want to. Come now.
Which school is that?
Emmanuel.
Come here, Shani.
Okay.
You better take my one.
Yes, Missy Janelle watching.
And Dean is coming to my
Si
school.
Odende. Si Odende. Watch it. From Shani. Si Shani. Si Shani. You know, see me. Itagano was see me. Si Odende.
So what happened?
Si Shani.
What's
your decision? Take it out of your Yes.
We are doing a campus, Jessica.
Oh, sorry. Glad it. The man to the Jump. Mommy, why you jump so? Match your dicky. 5.
You want to
Look at it.
I love you still.
Janelle, let me see me.
Like a lion inside.
Mm-hmm. But,
You look like you did go far. We want you to see you.
yeah, man.
Can you make me see me, Mama?
This is beautiful.
It's Saturday and she said the same thing too.
Tell me from the top again when you see her starting
No
your
man,
wave
you
to
have
her.
video me. No, I do it.
Sometimes I mean,
We see an audience. You know, Margaret. Margaret. Valma. I said, Valma.
Mama dead, right?
Yeah.
Tell us how to move forward.
Well, concerning the passing off of my mother, which we all regretted very much. For the future, we'd like all of us as one family to come together. If life wasn't straightforward with us before, let it become straightforward as a new start for our younger generation, as from now on. What in the opposite, on my behalf, I would like the relative to come together and see what they can do to give me a start, to help myself. Because I won't able to sit down and been waiting and my sister or my relative them to give me money to use further as a big man. They must have to be fighting out a way of life for myself. And of course I would like everybody to be living peaceful, keep our correspondence with each other, whom is in foreign, whom is in Jamaica, and see to the home keep right, and we goes on to further stepping up of life. And that's my few words for right now.
Okay.